Is your home feeling empty? Tired of maintaining a big house after the kids have moved out? You might have empty nest syndrome. We understand the feeling. Signs include obsessive cleaning of unused bedrooms, making dinner for the family when nobody is home, constant vacuuming despite fewer messes, browsing real estate listings, wondering if it's time for a change, introducing cash offer partners. Sell your home quickly, easily and stress-free. Get a fast all-cash offer. Skip repairs, cleaning and negotiations. Choose your closing date for a hassle-free move. No closing costs or agent fees. We've got you covered. We specialise in helping empty nesters in Florida and Illinois. The process is easy. Call or submit our online form. Get a fair, no-obligation offer within minutes. Choose your closing date. Start fresh and move on. Break free from stress and start living. Imagine more free time and flexibility, less yard work and home repairs. Reduced cleaning time, increased relaxation. Don't let empty nest syndrome get you down. We're here to help. Call Cash Offer Partners today to see if downsizing is right for you. Take the first step towards a simpler, more carefree life.